All right, trust me, these mistakes are golden because you're going to make mistakes too, and it's good to know how to handle them. Now, as far as making your textures, all you do is click on an empty layer that has something you like, then Shift Option Command E to merge visible. Then you have to turn this off, the visibility. You have to turn it off, or else you can't see what you're going to put on the next layer. And I'm just going to do this quickly. I'm going to come out here and just make something, and let's just say right there is perfect. That's what I want. I'm going to come here, Shift Option Command E, turn that layer off, come back down here, and let's try the opposite. Let's try really dark, really light and just a little bit of dark. And this might make a great brush, but for right now, let's just go ahead and say, yeah, that's what we want. So we click on this layer, Shift Option Command E, and boom, we've got our texture saved. Let's say, now you notice I clicked away from that layer. I'm going to go ahead and hide that. I clicked away from that layer on purpose because let's say we have so much faith in this particular image, we want to make 3 new layers. Now, why not make a new action and call it, layers 4 through 6. We'll call it that, huh? We'll record it. Now, click on the uppermost layer because it records that you are on that uppermost layer. And that's what you want. And then click on the new layer icon, double click, and call it texture 04. And I'm going to go ahead and copy so I don't have to type that out. Hit return, and then new layer, double click, Command V, 5, return, new layer, double click, Command V, 6, return. Stop recording, and we have these 3 new layers. And just to prove that works, we have stopped recording. I'm going to go ahead and click there, trash these. Yep, trash those things. I should have held down Option. Click away from that so that Photoshop with this action can go ahead and select this layer for us. I'm going to click away, go ahead and play that action, and boom. Above layer 3, we have 4, 5, and 6. Now, you can make as many layers as you want, and then it's probably a good idea to have a whole bunch here, and then you can delete the ones you don't need. It's just click and shift click, and then option click on the trash can. If you option click here, you skip the dialog box. All right, so there are a bunch of tips on how to make textures, and it's only one way. And yes, there's a million other ways, and yes, combining textures and doing all kinds of other things will come into play, but for right now, this gets you started. Have a great day.